And the washroom, this was the best part of the house because I did not want a washroom that was outside. And that's gonna be my workshop for, hopefully later on down the road, I'm going to drywall the whole thing, and that's gonna be where I do my YouTube videos. So keep your fingers crossed. I can't wait to get that finished. It needs a lot of work before I can get that far. So probably for the next year, it's just gonna be a storage shed. But hopefully in the next couple of years, I'll be able to renovate it and make it specifically for my YouTube stuff. So I love these big, huge windows. And here's a shelf for folding all of my laundry. And I want to put those, you know, those square bookshelves that you slide baskets into? I want to put one that is just as tall as the shelf right in here, so I can have baskets for all the clean laundry, and I can just take them to their respective rooms and put them away easy when the basket gets full or whatever. Either that or use it for other storage as well. Of course, my nice washer and dryer will go here and here. There's the door to the backyard. And there's another huge window. So many windows. I love it so much. Okay, my laundry room is finally finished. I parked my bike in here. It fits perfect, I just realized. Of course, there's the door out to the backyard and my washer and dryer. Got to keep the cleaning stuff right on top, and my plants in the kitchen window. And of course, they're blooming. They're so pretty right now. I'm surprised I haven't killed them yet. My awesome laundry bag, I got that from Michael's, I'm pretty sure. And my Paris one that my bestie bought me from Ross. And my Fleur-de-Lis doggy dishes. And of course the doggy dog food bin. And a little garbage bin. So it's pretty neat and well kept in here. Here's the bin for all of the dryer thingies, because my mom loves to save them for her quilting machine. I guess they work perfect. And these are my awesome liquor bottles. Oh, don't mind that. That's just the train depot. These are my liquor bottles that I created, and they're my tiki torches. So I keep them inside so that way they don't get stolen, broken, or any of that wonderful nonsense if anyone decides to get stupid and sees them and thinks, oh, those are pretty cool, let's steal them. But they're really neat, they work really well, and they're so easy to make. Let me know if you want a tutorial. Alright everybody, you all have a wonderful night. Bye!